Alright folks, just on Levante Beach in Benidorm. There it is. It's at night. What do you think of Levante Beach, honey? What do you think of it? Levante Beach?
I don't know when it's
I know, aye. It is really cold. It's December, early December. I've got my, I had to go and buy a, what do you call it? Oh, what do you call it? A hoodie. Aye, try to find the word. It actually wasn't the word I was looking for. Oh, doesn't matter. Anyway, so fleece, that's the word I was trying to look for. What do you think? There's an accessible ramp that takes you to the front of the beach. But Jacqueline loves Benidorm. Well, we both love Benidorm, but it's great for Jacqueline getting about. Got a place, I think. Lake Geneva? What would you prefer? Lake Geneva or Lake Garda? What one did you prefer best for getting about? What's that? What, in Geneva? Aye, but we saw different bits. But don't know. Aye, I don't know. I'm going to say Lake Garda. I think I really like to say Montreux. Montreux's in Lake Geneva, but there is one part. It was just the one part. There was one part in Montreux when you're going to Le Chillon Castle. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but when you're going to it, it gets a bit kind of rough terrain. But for the most part, it's pretty good. Did you like Montreux? Aye. We're going up this way. We're going to go up this way. We'll go up this way, honey. We'll head up and see what it's on. Well, we'll head up to the Strip and we'll see what kind of tribute acts are on. There's a Queen tribute chess, Queen Forever. That's on at midnight in Morgan's Tavern.
I'm telling you, he's seen it about 10,000 times, and I want to see it again.
You can never see enough Queen, honey. Aye. Freddie Mercury and the rest of the guys are geniuses. Aye. I always find, see the tiki bar, it's a way down there. I always find that a good marker for getting up to this bit, to go to the main strip. Don't know, it's just that I find it gives you, I can't remember the name of the pub up here. Well, it takes you up to the Red Lion and the Gold Dollar Saloon. That's quite a good bar, I think. That's the Gold Dollar Saloon. It's karaoke on it, honey. Karaoke. Karaoke, or tribute act. What's that? No, we'll go find something better. There's Journey Don't Stop Believing playing. For years I've tried, I knew the lyrics to it, I couldn't, some of the lyrics and I was like, what's that song? And then when Glee came out and it was everywhere and it just totally ruined that song. Anyway, there's the Red Lion. Oh. Probably one of the most famous pubs. We'll go up this way. No, honey, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing the bill. I'm not doing it. Aye. Last year Jacqueline had me on the bill. My knees were gubbed. My back was killing me. Getting too old for it. Well, we'll go and see what's over here. Aye, we'll see. I know. Aye, Sticky Star. Aye. She's not wanting me going to see Sticky Star. Spoil sport. Those that don't know, Sticky Star's a magician. Aye, you let me go. Well, aye, good then. But I didn't invite you over, but aye. I didn't go looking for it, we just were in the red line and there it was, you know what I mean? Absolutely hilarious. Just waiting for Jacqueline to catch up. Our chair's quite slow. There's loads of wee shops. Jacqueline was saying earlier that she prefers the summer, but here in the summer, honey, you can't get past here, you know what I mean? You're tapping people on the shoulder, asking them about their way, and your feet are going to knock you out, you know what I mean?
Yeah, boss man, I'm good man. Yeah, lovely. Mark, I'm good. That way better. Yeah, boss, I'm good. That way.
And here we are, Morgan's Tavern. Morgan Tavern. And it's Queen Forever and Take That later on, so I think that's what we'll be watching. Bob Marley, Coldplay. Right, we're going in. Right, I want to say goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
Aye. We're away to watch your shows, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.